stuck.
It's stuck, right?
Guys, this is big malfunction, huh?
So welcome back to channel, guys, and in this video we will see the fuel pump overall of Himsen generator. During maneuvering we had a problem with the fuel pump. As you can see, the fuel rack is stuck. When we change over to the LSMGO, so the fuel rack is stuck. We are already renewed with the new fuel pump, and in this video I'll show you how we overall. So let's start the video.
So when you put it must be in here, and you
See,
more problem is coming from this side, but now we have other problem. According, I don't know how it's named, but we have problem with launcher and bar, but it must be easily to go easily. Now we can check timing when pump.